Welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking. On today's episode, on your request, I want to show you how I make semolina cake, Maspain Greau or Maspain Rote, whatever you call it. Today I'm going to share the recipe with you. It is really simple and easy to make, and it is so good to eat. As always, get your oven preheated to 350 Fahrenheit. Grease a 9x9 cake pan with a generous amount of butter and just set that on the side. Let's go with ingredients so we can get started. We're gonna need some butter, unsalted, softened at room temperature, some egg, semolina, plain flour, granulated sugar, full fat milk powder, baking soda, cardamom powder, pinch of salt, and sesame seeds just for topping. Okay, first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add this cardamom, salt, baking soda, and baking powder to the semolina and also the plain flour. I'm adding all the dry ingredients and not the sugar, the milk powder. Just use a spoon, mix everything together. Just by mixing all of these together, the smell is so good in here. We're just gonna set this on a side, and I'm using a stand mixer, just a bowl. I like to use this bowl because it has a handle in it, so it's easier to pour the butter into the cake pan. So I'm gonna add the butter to the bowl. You can use a stand mixer, or you can just use a wooden spoon and just a regular bowl. Add the sugar. We're gonna cream this sugar and butter together until light and creamy and fluffy. And now you're gonna add the egg one at a time and keep beating. Okay, so now we're gonna add this flour and semolina mixture in addition. So I'm gonna add a few tablespoons at a time, and then I'm gonna mix. But I'm not gonna overmix at this point. This is how the cake batter, the cake can be tough in the middle. So we're just gonna beat this until just combine. Okay, that's it. Now we're just gonna take a spatula and just run the butter around the bowl just to get everything. And you can see how smooth is the butter. And now we have our prepared grease pan over here, and we're just gonna pour this mixture. Just to smooth the butter evenly. And then we're gonna spread some sesame seeds, a lot of it. You're just gonna use your hand and just tap gently so the sesame can stick to the butter. And then this is going to go in my preheated oven 350 Fahrenheit, and just take a toothpick or a butter knife, insert. If it comes out clean, then you know the cake is ready. I'm gonna show you when it's done. My cake was in the oven for 45 minutes and it is nice and golden brown. We're just gonna cut it now. And I wanna cut a slice from here, and actually I'm gonna cut one more. And I just want you to come close and check the middle of the cake. How beautiful is this? Let's give it a try. It's nice and soft. Just using, can't tell, freshly using freshly ground cardamom make a big difference. I will suggest you to ground your take the green cardamom, just grind them into powder and use it for the rote, for the semolina cake. You guys gonna see the difference. So good. Written recipe will be down below in the description box. I will see you next time.